Hey everybody, it's Monique from Asian Boss. America has been recognized as a leading global superpower for decades, but more nuanced global perspectives on America often go unnoticed. Given that US President Donald Trump has spoken very highly of Indian Prime Minister Modi, we thought it would be interesting to hear what everyday Indians think about Trump and about America in general. So let's turn it over to our Asian Boss reporter in New Delhi to hear what people have to say.
What is your current impression of the United States?
The first word that pops out is definitely Trump and a not so free country and really racist.
The first thing is Donald Trump, and second thing is America is like a superpower. America has hegemony in the world.
I think the United States does a really good job at giving their citizens freedom. It's good, but it creates a very volatile culture.
Actually, it's a good country to visit, and as well as for future, like people of India, we can go there and have a better life.
And moreover, it's like a culturally globalized country. Everybody wants to go and settle
and try there,
in America. So yeah.
In general, what's your impression of Americans?
वो पसंद करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में कुछ भी करना. Means they don't do like things कि हमें नहीं करना है. वो ज़्यादा सोचते नहीं है. They live their life actually.
I see Americans as a bit of the show off people. They have their own world and they are very proudy and they think that there's no one above them.
I find that some people, they get really racist against Indians. Take the Shah Rukh Khan case into consideration. Like every time he goes to visit America, the policemen always stop him just because he's a Muslim. So I think the racism is a big problem in America.
Like they are more open to, talking to different kind of people and, from other races and countries. But like the white minority, it's that minority is a little orthodox in their thinking. They feel as if, all the Indians or the other people, they're taking away their jobs and everything.
What does American accent sound like to you?
Oh, really? Do I have to tell it to you? Do I?
Let me tell you something about the American accent, okay? It's very different, but, the English accent is quite classier.
British is better.
Why do you think British accent is better?
It's comparatively easily to understand.
I am more of a fan of a British accent. It sounds more classy.
There are a lot of accents I would prefer over their way of speaking the language.
Do you get the impression that the US is welcoming towards visitors and immigrants?
Yes, quite frankly, they have been good to visitors in spite of that 9/11 issue. After that, there have been security issues with them, but that is okay. It's their country. They have every right to do so.
It really depends on where you are. A lot of my friends, they've gone to the US, and some of them, they don't face difficulties at all, while others, they're facing racism on a day-to-day basis. A friend of mine, he was in Wake Forest, and he faced racism on a day-to-day basis. Like they'd make fun of him. They'd tell him he smells of curry and stuff.
My younger brother also has had certain instances in school where being an Indian, he's not exactly faced racism that would scar him. But yeah, there have been instances of very mild racism, but it's racism nonetheless. Racism is racism.
That's basically because the white minority has that kind of superiority complex inside them. So we're like an inferior class according to them. So
what was the latest news that you saw from America?
So there's been gun riots going on in US, killing of students in schools and illegal hittings everywhere.
It's quite scary, but I think we have terrorist attacks in India and there is mass shooting in America, and both are equal, I think.
Being the most powerful nation in the world, I think that is not everyone expects from that country.
Heartbreaking, actually.
Exactly. It's disappointing from a country like that to hear such news.
most of the mass shootings have been done by the whites.
Yeah.
Teenagers, basically.
It's not the other
I think there's
races.
something about their bringing up over there, the way, they are accustomed in their heads, they are the superior people.
Can you imagine all these mass shootings happening in India?
If by any chance our laws were a little less, stringent than this, there would have been mass killings every other day. I think we would have surpassed the US in these kind of killings. The kind of people, the kind of mentality we have there, the kind of, cultural and religious riots we have every second day.
How do you feel about the US President Donald Trump?
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प एज ए पॉलिटिशियन आई डोंट नो मच, बट उसकी पर्सनल लाइफ को इतना दिखाया जाता है मीडिया में कि वो आज सम प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स उसके अगेंस्ट शू करती हैं देन तो
I don't like him at all. I don't. Yeah, he's like really racist, and I don't like his sexist comments either.
Look at his, speeches and the way he talks to women specifically. He treats women like commodities, like, an accessory to his power or something.
He's the United States Modi ji. I think they're very similar. Not very similar, but they have a lot of things in common.
Donald Trump has actually spoken very highly of our Prime Minister Modi and the US-India relationship. Why do you think Trump has spoken so highly of him?
And they have this perception of Indians that we're not even like threatening. So maybe like he's got this good positive reaction towards Indians.
It's because they have the same political ideology.
What sort of relationship would you like to see between India and America?
I would like to see a good relationship because like they're like this powerhouse. No one wants to mess with. You take an example of a bully. Like you want to be, even though it's a bad thing, but you want to be in his good side, so you're not the target, yeah.
If Trump has said something good about us, they probably has some underlying benefit in that.
Yeah, that's what.
But anyway,
And
like
of course
India
he
is a
can-
growing economy.
Yeah.
We offer a lot of opportunities, and CEO of Google is an Indian. Like, we are like literally, taking those kind of companies forward.
Nobody can deny the fact that Indians are the people who are going everywhere. I mean, aren't Americans mostly pissed at Indians because we go over there and take all their jobs?
Exactly. So if you don't speak highly of us and if you don't literally give us the undue credit,
they do
I
have
think the
a lot.
US is going to come down. There's going to be a downfall in the US. It's become a superpower, and a huge and big round of applause goes to us.
Yeah.
There you have it, everybody. For the record, it took our reporter in New Delhi 5 hours to get 11 people to interview with us. So special thanks to our reporter and all our interviewees for sharing their honest opinions. What would you like to see happen with India-US relations? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Asian Boss for more authentic insight into the latest news and cultural trends all over Asia. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.